Haven't done one of these videos in a while, like these info video types. Basically, Monday is course registration for spring. It is going to be my third semester. I've always believed in taking easy subjects. If you want to learn, if you have come here to learn, or if you're coming here to learn in spring, then this is not the right channel for you. If you want to keep things easy and focus on job hunt and other things, like whatever you want to do, then welcome to my channel. फिर subscribe करना. I'm assuming whoever is watching this video knows that basic चीज़ें basically you have to take 30 credits, which means you have to take 10 subjects for MSCS non-thesis. You have to take one foundation, one application, one systems. If you don't know what that means, basically subjects are divided into these categories, into these 3 categories, and if you take one of each, it's very easy. हो ही जाता है generally. If you need more information, go back to the previous video that I've made. I'll probably just leave a link down in the description. Second, I'm also assuming that you know what session ABC means. If you don't know, again, go back to the video. जो स्प्रिंग में आ रहे हैं उनको अभी तो नहीं पता होगा, अभी तक तो बस I-20 वगैरह का काम चल रहा है. So go check that out. C just means that it spans through the whole semester. A and B means half and half. तो मतलब ज़्यादा टाइम उस पर स्पेंड नहीं करूँगा. This should be quick. I actually have not decided the subject, so मैं अभी वही decide करने आया था, and I thought I'll just make the video. If this video comes up good, then only I'll post it. If it's not, then I'll probably just not post it. Okay, so basically it does not matter whether you have access to MySEO yet or not. This is solely for like spring में जो लोग आ रहे हैं उनको अगर नहीं है access अभी तो मतलब 1-2 हफ्ते में अगर मिल जाएगा तो ठीक है. But if you do not have access, this is still accessible. This is an incognito. I'm not signed in. My ASU class search. I just Google this class search. I go here spring 24 subject CSE number 5 question mark which basically is like a rejects regular expression. अभी मैं देखता हूँ क्या करना है. From now on this video is like not scripted and all. मैं अभी बताऊंगा नहीं. This is more like a vlog जो मैं ले रहा हूँ. It's not an information कि तुम्हें ये लेना चाहिए, जो लेना है मतलब लो. I don't care. But I'm also gonna talk about like my opinion. मेरा चैनल तो मैं अपना ही opinion दूंगा. So you're obviously advised to take objective opinion, but if you take my opinion, your life will be much easier. So having said that, also quick info before I proceed, you can take 2 400 level courses if you're a graduate student, but not more than that. But I'm just going to cover 500 level courses today. Okay, so I've put Tempe because ASU online के courses generally I think that they're reserved for ASU online, like जो online masters कर रहे हैं, so I'm ignoring that. DBMSI, Candon, absolutely no, it's one of the hardest subjects in ASU. I'm not going to take it. Computer architecture मेरे को नहीं लेना है. Computer networks मुझे नहीं लेना है. I don't know much about these subjects either. Advanced OS is a decent subject. This faculty is chill, heard good things. So if you want to take it, you can take it. Green flag. DBMSI is red flag. These two I don't know. The next two, Advanced OS, I'll put green. I'm like giving 3 channels. Let's say red, green, and jo neutral. IAS is green. I've taken it in the last semester, like in my first semester in spring. And a lot of people have taken it this semester, but things have gotten a little more difficult in the sense that we were using a lot of like ChatGPT. It was allowed, basically open book exam tha with internet access. People were just ChatGPTing and copy pasting it, which I don't see the problem with, but I guess Yao did. I think this time they're switching the midterm to pen and paper, which makes things a little bit more like cumbersome क्योंकि फालतू में लिखना पड़ेगा. तो next time मेरे को पता नहीं क्या होगा. And I think he has invited another faculty because he's 100 years old. So software security, I took this subject, then I dropped it because it's very like security heavy, Linux wala. This faculty is new. I've not heard about this faculty. Generally this was taken by Tiffany Bao or Fish Wang. Last 2 semesters they were the ones taking it. You can take it. I think if you are interested in security, you should probably take it. It's not going to be that bad. Cloud computing is a good pick if you want to take it. Like इसको मैं green में डालूंगा. मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ, मुझे उतना भी काम नहीं करना है. Advanced computer network security. Oh, this is also by Gerida. So this is also, I think I'll put this in green because this faculty is kind of chill. FOA. FOA तो क्या ही बोलूँ. FOA is an incredibly hard subject, but since it's by Ali and if you have access to previous papers, I don't have access to previous papers, so like do not ping me. But if you have, then things get much easier. But if you don't have, you're kind of fucked. Aruna Basen, I don't know. But FOA देख लेना, मतलब if एक तो foundation से लेना पड़ेगा. So you can either take FOA or you can take KRR, which I'll come to later. FOA I've already taken, so I can't take FOA. Randomized and approximation. Oh, Charles Colburn is one of the hardest faculties in ASU apart from Candon. Candon का course hard है. Like ये दोनों. Colburn is like one of the ऐसे मतलब वो होता है ना कि that one faculty who's gonna teach you a lot of stuff but who's gonna expect a lot of stuff. So absolutely not, absolutely red flag for me. Carter, no, very bad reviews about Carter. Hesam, no. So these 2 subjects are gone. SVVT by Carter is gone. SVVT by iCartusman, I'm considering it. It has also issues, but मुझे लगता है ये निकल जाएगा. So I'm also considering this. This is the 3rd consideration that I'm taking for the next semester. Tuzman actually put my friend in a flag like academic integrity में इसको डाल दिया because he had plagiarism, so that's a fact. He actually told me to put this in the video. मतलब उसने बोला कि सबको वो मत लेने, पता नहीं अभी मुझे लेना पड़ेगा because मैंने सारा easy subject और बाकी ले लिया. SPPQM सब लोग ये target कर रहे हैं इस बार because this is a good faculty, chill subject, super easy. AI by Usang, it's good actually, मतलब ले सकते हैं because the faculty, I've heard good things about the faculty and it's kind of an interesting course. Data mining, there are 2 faculties. Huawei I'm not supposed to take because it's terrible. Fu is pretty good, so I'm gonna mark this as green, and I might also take this because I haven't taken it. SWM, this is the I think easiest course in ASU, so everybody takes it. You probably won't get it, I probably won't get it. If you get it after watching this video and I don't get it, then campus में दिख मत जाइयो. SML by Kookjin Lee, I've given bad reviews in my previous video because I like the midterm 2 was bad. Red, तो मैंने ये already ले लिया है. DV by brand, red as fuck. मैंने ये सब इस बार लिया है, मेरे लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा गलती है because I don't want to learn JavaScript. I don't want to do front end like ever. So if you are very good with JavaScript, then this subject should be good for you. Or if you want to learn JavaScript, I still wouldn't recommend it. If you want to learn JavaScript, go to fucking YouTube tutorial and learn. You'll probably learn more than spending your time doing fucking D3 charts. I don't like this subject, and ये गलती हो गया मैंने लेके because DV by Samira was not there in fall and मुझे कुछ तो लेना था. I had another terrible subject, so I had to switch it. But if you can, then grab this subject because ये फिर fall में नहीं होगा. तो for spring, I would have taken DV by Samira. Like a dumb fuck, I took this. Kiara by Ali or Samira. If preferably Kiara by Samira. If you don't get, I think Kiara by Ali is also chill. Also another very super green flag. I have it this semester, so I can't take it. And then there are topic courses which I don't know a lot about. ये तो नहीं लेना है. This is hard. This is the gold mine. This is a gold mine. I would recommend it to everyone. I have it this semester. This is probably the easiest subject. It's a session B course on top of that. तो वो चालू भी होता है late. I think वो चालू होगा spring break के बाद. So बस 2 महीने का subject है. I might take this. It's okay, like it's sort of neutral. It's not green or red, but I mean I have to kind of take it because I'm out of subjects now. SLT, I don't know. Oh, Yang is good. I've heard good things about Yang, so I can actually take this as well. और बाकी मेरे को नहीं पता इतना. Hannah Gardner is also kind of decent. Like बीच में रखूंगा मैं. बाकी I don't know anything about. So to sum up, if I have to rank the top 10 easiest subjects and I'm just going from top to bottom, I'm not ranking ऐसे 1-2 करके, but top 10, but not sorted order, right? JEDIDA के 2 course, OS and networking, so 2. Then I would put FOA by Ali, 3. I would put Tuzman को भी मैं डालूंगा, SVVT and Colofellow, so 5. And then I would put data mining by Fu, 6. This is the top. I'm just saying because ये top पे है. Semantic web mining 7. Then I would put DV by Samira 8. I would put KRR by दोनों ही मतलब ऐसे चलेगा. So let's do 9 and 10. And blockchain would probably be another, like it's probably the second easiest subject out of this, or probably the easiest subject. So like 11-12 subjects हो गए. So अगर किसी का कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, so you can take it from this list if you want to keep things light and easy. I'm already out of blockchain, KRR, DV, FOA और पता नहीं IAS. So I have to choose between SVT, SPPQM, SWM, data mining, and then probably venture into ये टॉपिक वाले courses which even I'm not sure. I'll have to dive into that, but that's the plan. Alright, that's the video. I have to go home and cook now. It's 11:21. मुझे actually देखना ही था, तो मैं सोचा कि क्यों ना एक वीडियो बना लूँ. Also, before I end the video, there is a site called Rate My Professors. Whoever is coming to the US for the first time probably won't know. मुझे भी नहीं पता था. Where you can put the faculty name and check their rating. But that's a little sometimes misleading because people sometimes, for example, some faculties teach very shitty, but like the subject is really easy, so they get a bad rating. But I mean, I would take that with both hands because it's just easy, and I'm not here to learn, which is counterintuitive. I'm not here to learn academically. I'm here to, I don't know, make money. Alright, see you in the next one. Like, share.